Today, we're going to cover the basics of an air filter regulator. Now there's a variety of purposes you might use one, whether it's to control the flow of air to a positioner or to use it as a signal. But today we're just going to go over the basics. Start by hooking up your air supply. It's always best practice to make sure that the adjustment knob for the pressure is always backed out because you don't want to overpressure something and possibly break it. So once your air is on, just tighten the knob. You'll feel resistance on most products, and you can see the gauge is increasing, pressure is increasing, and the actuator is turning. So say we had this actuator installed in line, you could calibrate it to wherever you felt comfortable, and then once you found your pressure, simply tighten the nut to prevent any pressure from deviating off course. And that's it. If we take the air off, this spring return actuator will close, and as soon as we put it back on, it opens. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please check out some of our other videos, and as always, thank you for watching.